So today I'm about to show you how to export a flow as JSON in Flowith. If you have built a complex, multi-threaded workspace and want to back up your structural map, save it for external developers, or migrate your canvas between different accounts, hard coding it manually is a thing of the past. You can package your entire logic into a universal file format with just a couple of clicks. To grab your canvas data, look at the main navigation bar at the top left corner. Locate the flow settings menu or share options icon sitting right beside your active workspace. Click the drop down to open your project parameters. From the list, simply click on the export options and choose JSON. Flowith will instantly serialize your parent nodes, child nodes, and connecting recipe blocks into a single string. A prompt will appear, allowing you to copy the raw text to your clipboard, or download the file locally to your machine as a clean.json or JSON archive ready for future imports. And that's it. That's how to export a flow as JSON in Flowith.io. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.